Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Who distributes assets after a probate? In the process of probate, the executor of the will, right, I've gone through all the steps. The executor of the will takes the will to court, files the necessary petition, supplies the necessary original documents, ultimately obtaining letters testamentary. And then who distributes the assets of the decedent? Who distributes the assets of the estate? Well, it's the responsibility of the executor. If the decedent had assets that were, largely in cash or mutual funds or things of that nature, right? The distribution may be as simple as writing a few checks. If the decedent had property or multiple properties, well, then it would be the obligation of the executor to, say there's a property. It would be the obligation of the executor to distribute that property to the heirs. So say there's 5 heirs, the executor could make a deed to the 5 heirs, 20% each. Depending on the terms of the will, that is definitely a possibility. A different option may be that the executor could sell that property for the highest market value and then attend the closing, take care of any issues related to closing the property, and then take the proceeds of the sale and distribute that to the heirs. So it is up to the executor to distribute the assets. If you have a situation where you want to speak to me about an estate, about a probate, about distributing assets, reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com.